Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for the segment, we have Tomi Ristimäki. He's the CEO of Kempower to discuss envisioning a society powered by fully electric transportation, making the world cleaner and more sustainable. Tomi, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thank you, Jill. Good to be here.
You got it. And Kempower designs, manufactures, and commercializes charging solutions and services for electric vehicles and machines. How does your offering differ from your competitors in the electrical vehicle charging market?
I think there is many ways how we differ, but I think the main difference is that we see actually the electric vehicles becoming the norm of transportation. So our solution actually aims for the time that you have a lot of electric vehicles, when our competitors are still looking that you have one or two electric vehicles charging at a time with one piece of equipment. So we are seeing that as a more system solution for, let's say, the whole charging areas.
Kempower envisions a society powered by fully electric transportation, making the world cleaner and more sustainable. You're also committed to 100% carbon neutrality by 2035 and 100% recyclability in your own operations by 2025. How do you motivate your company to reach these ambitious sustainability targets?
I think the sustainability targets we have in there stated, of course, it relates to the operation of the company itself, which is in the core of the strategy, and we are looking at that very systematically. And that's actually, we are in the sustainable business, and that's even more important. Looking at our green equity assessment by third party, they looked at 100% of our revenues and 100% of our investments are shaded dark green, which means we are really committed, and our business is actually targeted directly to the sustainable future. So that's even more, let's say, important than the others come, let's say, more as a standard when your whole business is targeted towards the green future.
Kempower, in response to an increasing number of electric vehicles with higher battery voltages and capacities, Kempower recently started delivering an adaptive voltage charging solution. You're also striving for rapid growth and planning to expand your business to the US market. How are your growth plans developing?
I think it's going quite positive if you look at our Q3 results, which was Q3 was as big as Q1 and Q2 put together, and double last year. So I think from the past looking sentence, it's going fast, and of course the US is a big target for us, and we are actually having the plans to be there before the end of 2023. So this is where we are, and we are not yet telling everything about that plan, but that will come soon.
And you recently got your Nasdaq Green Equity designation, which enables increased visibility and transparency for companies toward investors looking for sustainable investments. Why do you think it is important today for companies to highlight green business strategies towards customers and investors?
Of course, in our business, what we do, it's a competitive advantage. It's actually our customers are looking for, and this kind of a, let's say, third-party assessment and the public assessment being a green company and not basically a greenwash company, which is quite bad. I think this is really important, and this is the same message for the investors as well. I think it's really good that these things are monitored, they are checked, and it actually highlights then the companies who are truly green and truly working for the sustainable future.
Okay, Tomi, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you, and have a nice evening.